Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are the positive impacts of a strong relationship on health. Number 1. Mental health. Emotional support. Strong relationships offer a sense of emotional security and support, reducing feelings of loneliness and stress. Enhanced coping. Partners in supportive relationships often cope better with life's challenges, mitigating anxiety and depression. 2. Physical health, healthy habits. Couples tend to encourage and reinforce healthy behaviors, such as regular exercise and balanced diets, improving physical well-being. Reduced health risks. Studies indicate lower risks of cardiovascular diseases and improved immune system function among individuals in committed relationships. Lower substance abuse. Supportive relationships discourage substance abuse, tendencies due to emotional stability and shared values, leading to healthier habits. 3. Longevity. Emotional stability. Emotional support from a partner may contribute to a longer life by positively impacting mental health and reducing stress-related health issues. Social engagement. Strong relationships often foster social connections, which have been linked to longevity and overall well-being. Reduced health risks. A loving partnership's emotional and social support may decrease the risk of mortality from various health conditions, thereby extending life. 4. Stress reduction. Cortisol. Regulation. Supportive relationships can regulate stress hormone levels, lowering cortisol and improving overall stress responses. Calming influence. Partners in loving relationships can provide a calming effect during stressful situations, positively impacting stress management. Enhanced immunity. Lower stress from supportive relationships bolsters the immune system, reducing susceptibility to illness and infections. Each of these facets showcases how strong relationships contribute significantly to mental, emotional, and physical well-being, emphasizing the multifaceted impact on overall health and longevity. Please like and subscribe to my channel